Alright, today we're going to be talking about the spear hand in Pinan Shodan. We're going to go over two applications. One common application, which is a throw, and then we're going to do a second one, which is going to be a joint lock and throw. So the first one, we come off of our knife hand series. You do the wipe down, you step, and you thrust, and you do your turn. In this one, we're going to step and thrust under, between their arms, and then you're going to grab on, and we're going to throw. We're here, he strikes, we strike here, I grab, I hook, and I do a throw. And then you can start this. That one's pretty basic, it's pretty common. You're just basically coming in through here, grabbing, boom, turning, and throwing here. Right. The second application is working a joint lock. So you're going to be parrying a strike and then striking the individual for a setup. So let me bring this a little closer. Okay. So the initial movement would be he throws a punch and we're parrying across, and then you would strike like through here, like the side of the face like this. Boom. Coming around, grabbing, stepping through, and throwing. Now, when you're doing this, the initial strike coming in is just this parry. You don't want to grab initially, you just want to kind of stick to it. So when you're doing this, he's not going to pull his hand away because he's not going to feel threatened. If he punches, and I grab here, he's going to instantly try to resist it and pull away. But if he comes in and I just kind of parry it down and then strike up here, he's not thinking about his hand anymore. And then at that point in time, we're going to hit the wrist like this. We're going to think about the hinge part of the wrist. The mouth of your hand is going to come right in here, and you're just going to take your other hand and turn it like this. Boom. So you're going to come in, he comes in. I hope that's useful. Let me know if you have any questions about that. Until next time, train hard.